Miss Ariel here, and you clicked on the craft box. And since President's Day is coming up, we thought it'd be fun to make a bald eagle. How cute is this guy, huh? So he comes with feet, wings, of course, nose, googly eyes. So I am going to show you how we made this. Okay, so in your bag for your craft, you're gonna have the body of your eagle, of course his head, 2 googly eyes, 2 wings, his feet, and of course the beak. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the brown pom-pom ball and we are going to glue our feet to the bottom of it. So it'll look a little bit something like this when we're done. Now, for the sake of the video, I'm going to use a hot glue gun just to make sure it gets dry quickly for the video. But if you're at home, you can use a glue stick, you can use Elmer's glue, or what other type of glue, even tacky glue. And my hot glue gun is not ready yet. So when it is, I will be back and we will finish our eagle. Glue gun is heated up now. What I'm going to do is, at least for me, because I'm using the hot glue gun, put some glue on the bottom of my foot, and I'm gonna do that for both of my feet. That way I can just put the pom-pom on at the same time. And make sure, oops, that you put enough glue so it stays on your pom-pom, because if not, it will not stay. Oop. See? So this so far is my feet for the bald eagle. So he's just glued there on the bottom. And what we shall do then, which you can do it a few ways, we're going to take the head of the bald eagle and glue it on top of the body of the bald eagle. Or you could put on your googly eyes first and then your nose. But I'm going to put my body on because I think it might be a little bit easier. So I'm just going to put a bunch of glue on the brown part of my eagle and then just place the head on just like this. So oh my gosh, he's so cute. So he looks a little bit like this with the glue. And you want to make sure that your glue is hardened and it's not going to fling off, okay? Oh my gosh, she's adorable. Okay. And then what we'll do then is put our googly eyes on our bald eagle. Now this will be a little bit of a tricky spot because you want to make sure you have enough glue, but also make sure that you get it on your eagle's head without them falling off, and I have glue everywhere. So put your glue on the back side of your googly eye. Oops, 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 oops. I'm putting glue everywhere. And then you're just going to take your body and press your eyeball onto the head, just like that. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the beak. So your beak, you're just gonna put glue here on the bottom and then glue it right under your eyes for your eagle. Make sure you put enough too so that it doesn't fall off, as that would not be good for your eagle. Oh, how cute. How cute is he? Okay, so now that you have the eyeballs on, you have the beak on, the last part is going to be the wings that we have. So when we glue them, I'm going to do the same thing and put the glue on the back side of the felt. You can either glue his wings this way or this way. That part is up to you. Whatever you think looks best for your eagle. Okay. Make sure, once again, you put enough glue onto your eagle. That way, his wings don't fall off, because your eagle is not going to be able to fly very far if he doesn't have wings. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Then same thing, you're going to press it into his body. Make sure it's dry. any flyaways if you're using a hot glue gun at home. And ta-da! How cute is our bald eagle? So since we have President's Day, which by the time you watch this, it's already happened, we thought it'd be fun to make these cute bald eagles since that's our bird for the United States of America. That's our symbol. So I hope you enjoyed this craft, and I hope you click around and see what other stuff you can find.